Customized and diversified consumption demands are driving the transformation of the manufacturing industry towards flexible production. Flexible manufacturing requires production lines to be quickly adjusted and reconstructed according to market demands. For example, an electronic OEM has to adjust its production lines once every 3 months on average. The network also needs to adapt to the changing production line requirements and provide flexible access for production devices. Traditionally, production devices are connected to the network through wired connections, which requires complex cabling. This not only wastes space, but also leads to long production line downtime during device reconstruction. According to statistics, each production line upgrade requires an additional 3 to 5 days for cabling and commissioning. This increases the total cost by 15% to 20%. As customers demand increased customization, the traditional network architecture cannot meet the flexible production requirements. Fully wireless transformation is an inevitable choice for upgrading the manufacturing industry. Huawei meets this by launching the Xinghe Intelligent Fully Wireless Production Network Solution based on high-quality 10 GB production campus networks. This solution helps factories build industrial wireless networks featuring fully wireless coverage, intelligent O&M, and high concurrency, achieving flexible manufacturing. The first highlight of this solution is wireless connection of devices and easy building block-like reconstruction of production lines. This solution uses the Wi-Fi AP plus CPE networking architecture to implement fully wireless coverage of production lines. Production devices are wirelessly connected to the factory network through CPEs. Production devices remain connected to CPEs by cables and do not need to be reconstructed. Devices can be moved as needed, and production lines can be flexibly reconstructed, with no need for recabling. A production line can be reconstructed within a matter of hours. Air interface slicing, as well as dual-fed and selective receiving technologies, are used between APs and CPEs. This ensures 20 milliseconds deterministic latency and 99.999% reliability for key services, meeting the strict industrial control requirements. The second highlight of this solution is intelligent O&M, which ensures network experience. iMaster NCE Campus Insight is used to analyze the network quality of production devices in real time, proactively identify root causes of faults, and perform optimization accordingly. It can proactively detect rogue APs in workshops, making wireless network O&M more transparent and visible, and visualizing the network quality in real time. It transforms O&M from reactive remediation to proactive prevention, greatly improving network stability and management efficiency. The third highlight is high-speed and high concurrency service operations thanks to Huawei Wi-Fi 7. The network provides high concurrency and high bandwidth, which directly improves the production line efficiency. Take the production lines of automotive enterprises, for instance. The operating systems of intelligent vehicles need to be loaded in batches before delivery. The operating systems of major automotive enterprises are typically over 10 gigabytes. If the operating systems are loaded slowly, the production line efficiency will be severely affected. Huawei Wi-Fi 7 uses a unique dynamic scheduling algorithm to jointly schedule spectrum and spatial stream resources. This algorithm allows operating systems to be concurrently loaded at high speeds on multiple vehicles. This shortens the operating system loading time of new vehicles and ultimately accelerates the roll-off of new vehicles. Huawei's Xinghe Intelligent Fully Wireless Production Network Solution enables agile reconstruction of production lines, closed-loop intelligent O&M, and efficient data flow. All this makes this solution the ideal infrastructure for intelligent manufacturing. Huawei, with the power of innovative connectivity, helps enterprises build more flexible, efficient, and intelligent future-proof factories.